Right guys, so as you know, if you live in England or close to England, England's been battered by storms these past few weeks, which sadly made us have a leak in the bathroom. And where our bathroom is, we've got a loft space just above it. So we had to go into the loft to find out where this leak was coming from. So we started taking things out of the loft, which haven't been removed from the loft for ages. Can I say loft anymore? Loft. But yeah, we started taking things out, and I came across a little treasure. Don't you see? Close your eyes. Right. That's the little treasure. Now, with me, I collect certain things. And this is part of the certain things I collect. There's some feet. Oh, there we go. Now it does need a little bit of restoration and a few pieces on it. Definitely needs a clean up because it's, like I say, it's been in the loft and there's certain parts of it need sorting out. There's this gun here needs gluing back to where it should be, and it needs straightening up. We need to get these back to the right colour. You know, I checked inside before and there's no spiders. So Tina's happy because she don't like spiders. Yeah, just needs like the battery cover for the inside, the head cowl there, the head moves. Needs probably a new light switch, new light there, the light cover and the two guns underneath. And I'll probably get some new stickers for it and just put them back on where they should be. It does have stickers on the inside and in the cockpit area. But yeah, quite a find. I'll probably, like I say, I'll peel them off, clean it all up and get some new stickers, put them back on and hopefully make it look good as new. So yeah, follow me on this project. So yeah, like I say, it's going to need a lot of work. Apparently Tina got it in a jumbo sale a while ago for 50p. Amazing, right? But yeah, like I say, follow me during the process. We'll get it looking somewhere as good as new if we can. And remember, like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Tap that notification bell because it lets you know when we upload stuff and it lets us know that you care. Okay, so we'll see you soon guys. Take care of each other out there. Bye.